What's up guys, Gary here with Self.Dev. Just wanted to do another little update video. I have been working on React still. Just got done with this YouTube video tutorial on it, so slowly getting React down. Hopefully you can have a couple projects to throw in the portfolio soon here. Also working on the Free Code Camp JavaScript degree, or JavaScript certificate I guess, and then the Odin project. I'm doing a little bit in there too, because I feel like Team Treehouse, I feel like it's always good to learn from multiple sources, because Team Treehouse is like layer 1, and then I'm sure there's some stuff that they missed that falls through the cracks, and then Free Code Camp is like layer 2 that catches some other stuff, and then I'm sure there's still some stuff that has been missed, so I'm doing like Odin project too. Just kind of like make sure I get everything down, and like repetition helps learn all that stuff. Updating GitHub, because I looked at my projects and there's a lot of files on there that don't need to be, like ones that Team Treehouse, like I downloaded from Team Treehouse that were only necessary if you had like a Mac, and then like mock-ups or other random crap that's not necessary for the files. So I'm gonna delete those. I'm gonna start trying to do 1 commit a day, so I can have my big calendar of green stuff, because I'm really accomplishment based, so I like check marks and like checking things off my to-do list. I also have been working on my portfolio too. That part, I think it looks really good now. So yeah, we're gonna look at it here. Where's it at? There it is. All right, so yeah, got the video background now. These little buttons light up. If you go to the About Me section, everything kind of like fades upward. I used some JavaScript and CSS to do that. And then I got the gradient to where the background just kind of fades, so it's much like softer transition. I'm also going to do like a overlay or under, I don't know, some like black opaque deal to make the words pop more, because they kind of blend in with the mountains and the sky at some points right now. And then the projects, still hover over those. You can see what's going on there. I need to get these pictures longer because that one doesn't fit, and then that one doesn't fit all the way. And I don't want to adjust the padding because I feel like I feel like the design looks good, like with the spacing and everything. It just needs more room. And then this part fades up as well, and then it's got the socials, taking to YouTube and stuff. And you can click on this to call me or email me, and then the little footer down there. So that's where I'm at right now. Still applying for jobs. I haven't really been applying for jobs that much. Kind of want to get React down first. I am looking for like freelance stuff though on like Fiverr, and I think I'm about to post on Craigslist and say free web development stuff. So I just need some work related experience to put on my resume instead of just the projects I've done. And then hopefully I can get, maybe if I work for free, they will give me like a letter of recommendation, say, hey, it was great working with this guy, and just like good stuff. That's what I'm thinking. And I think that's all I wanted to talk about today. Yep. So if you need anything else, let me know in the comments. Check out the description. I got all my socials in there if you want to connect or anything like that. And I will see you next time. Peace.